Our world is advancing through an unpredictably fast rate, and humans are no longer the most intelligent beings, giving rise to the age of AI. My name is Fatma Hussain, and here's a brief introduction to artificial intelligence, neural networks, and robotics. From the birth of AI in 1955 to the AI system that beat the world's smartest player through the game of Go, it is evident that this technology is slowly integrating in our daily routines. You might not have even realized, but already is, in search engines, voice assistants, YouTube video recommendations, and even in sports. But we hear these buzzwords like artificial intelligence being thrown around, but what exactly is AI? In simple terms, AI is the science of making machines smarter. It can also be thought of as a simulation as to how humans learn and improve. AI mainly learns from data and uses that as input, which can then be altered using parameters such as weights and biases to execute the ideal output. It can be thought of as y equals mx plus b, where y is the output, m is the weight, x is the input, and b is the bias. Let's think of it as riding a bicycle. For instance, you would give a child a push and tell him to keep the bike sturdy and not fall over. The child keeps that in mind, changing the position of his hands and legs, and hold and behold, he's riding the bike on his own. And in that form, the weights would be the changes in his hand and leg positioning. The bias would be how the kid starts off. For instance, in the beginning, you might give him a little push. That's AI in a nutshell, and it's also a process that many neural networks follow. There are many different types of AI that follow this similar process, such as neural networks, robotics, and machine learning. As all these subsets play a substantial role in developing our economy, one of the more captivating ones is robotics. Robotics is a branch of engineering that involves the conception, design, and operation of robots. A way to think of robotics is AI is the brain of the machine and the machine is the body. Computer scientists have used robotics in many day to day objects, such as robotic vacuum cleaners. But how does this mass data and information get stored and used? This is called cloud robotics. The term cloud is used to describe software and services on a global network, operating on the internet and letting users access information virtually on any internet running device. Cloud robotics has also played a dominant role in revolutionizing healthcare. For instance, some uses of cloud robotics in biology is medicinal chemistry, organism engineering, and assay development. This information, among other data, can be pre-computed in the cloud and stored so that they can be indexed and used online. Now, what is the future of AI and all this advanced technology? For one, it will continue to become more efficient. For instance, it will have less refactoring or very minimal code changes. It will also learn to build the models more consistently and efficiently using AI techniques. Additionally, it will also help solve problems that many of us humans face, in addition of making human lives more easier. Last but not least, it will also learn to process large amounts of vast data using APIs. We are seeing extremely innovative uses of advanced technology that is in progress of a gateway to a brighter place for future generations. What are your thoughts and ideas of creating AI technology that can help solve real world problems? Thank you.